Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install BurpMCP with Claude Code, and it should take a couple of steps, but it's fairly easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to install the BurpMCP. So you go to the Burp extensions, the Burp App Store, and then you download and install the MCP here. I already have done that. So you go here, you allow always allow HTTP history access, and then you can add URLs here for the scope. Also know that it's going to be in localhost and it's going to be in this port, on this port right here. And then what we need to do is we need to extract the server proxy.jar. So once I already done that, I already saved it in my burp ncp folder. So we can do lslh. We can see here all the files and folders that I have here. We're gonna have to create a Claude MD, so that is already being done, and you're gonna need this file as well .mcp.json, because this file, what it's gonna do is it's gonna tell the MCP where is this jar located at, and it's gonna start the BurpMCP server for us. So I have already downloaded it here. I updated Claude. I have created the files here. So the next step to actually do is to run. Let me look at the folders. I mean at the files, so you can see how it is. This is the format of the file. You tell it the path and the commands that you want to run. The command in Java, we're going to run this jar file. If you have it in Windows, is instead of in Windows, it's actually reverse. So in Windows, you're gonna have to use a double slash and then put your path to your mcp proxy.jar file here. Okay, and then the Claude MD basically is instructions on for Claude to understand what is the MCP doing. Okay, so let's go ahead and fire up Claude. I'm gonna allow this folder, yes. Okay. Now the NCP should be running. Let's test it. Let's go ahead and go to one of these labs. Let's access the lab. Let me go ahead and open burp proxy, the 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 browser extension. Okay, seems it doesn't want to open. Let me install Foxy Proxy. Okay, let's go ahead and create a new proxy. Just name it burp. Create the host. My port. Save it. Let's see if I can intercept traffic through here. Okay, let's see. Click here. I need to. Okay. Check the proxy history. Okay, we're intercepting traffic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to targets. I'm gonna add this to the scope. Okay. Then I'm also gonna copy the URL. I'm gonna go to the MCP server. I'm gonna add it here. Okay. And then I'm gonna fetch. I'm gonna tell Claude BurpMCP history. And as you can see, it gave me a history. So it's working fine. Everything is working fine. So now you already have BurpMCP connected with Claude. You can ask questions. You can start creating skills, and then you can do various couple things in order to use BurpMCP with your hacking methodology. So this is it. So thank you for listening and thank you for watching my video. So please.